The Sneezing Dragon. Once upon a time, in the tiny village of Pebbleton, there lived a dragon named Doodle who had one strange problem every time he sneezed. Bubbles came out instead of fire. One windy morning, Doodle caught a cold. Doodle sneezed and bubbles flew everywhere, filling the sky, floating into houses, and even lifting the villagers' goats into the air. The villagers didn't know whether to panic or laugh. Little Mia, the bravest kid in the village, gave him a warm cup of honey lemon tea. Doodle sniffled, sipped the tea, and the bubbles popped, raining candy on the village. From that day on, the villagers called him Doodle the Candy Dragon.